Hello, this is Christopher Odom, your video camera expert with Camcorder HQ with a review of the Canon Vixia HF R10 HD video camera. I'm giving the HF R10 a grade of A+. Major pros for the camera include a one-touch auto mode, 1080p resolution, 24-frame shooting in cinema mode, and an 8GB internal flash memory. You can read my full review on the website at digitalcamera-hq.com/camcorders. And now, here's a 2-minute clip of edited test footage from the camera. Enjoy.